Hey, it is Happy from Happy Teach Says. A question was asked of how to combine backgrounds inside of Adobe Express. And you all know I love Adobe Express. So I had to show you. All right, so here we go. Let's get into it. All right. So I have three images right now on my screen. I have this beautiful, beautiful rainbow cloud, and then I have these trees, and then I have this young lady on standing on a rock. So what I'm going to do is combine all three. Now, the purpose in combining um, is so that you can make a really, really beautiful like images. So that's what we're gonna do. So what I have is I'm going to show through. I want this layer right here of these beautiful rainbows to show through this layer right here and then this layer right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and expand this one on top of the beautiful clouds. I'm gonna go ahead and make it larger. Then I'll position it how I want it. I think that's gonna look good. Let me see, do I want some of that tree? Yeah, I think that's gonna look good. So what I wanna do now is, let me bring this over here. Okay, let me bring this out here. All right, so now I got a position where I want. Over here to the right, notice you got to select it to affect it. Notice nothing is selected and you don't see anything over on this right side. I'm going to click it and you start seeing your options. So make sure you select it to affect it. And I want you to draw your eyes over here to where it says normal right here. These are called blend modes. And what blend modes allow you to do is it allows you to see from the top image through to the image beneath it, which is really, really cool. So right now it's set to normal. That means that you can't see through it. We're going to change that and click that. These are called blend modes, and we're gonna go for, let's say, the screen blend mode. Look how pretty that looks. So you see that rainbow color coming through. So what the screen blend mode does is it knocks out like the dark blacks and dark colors so that you can see this light, beautiful color here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose multiply. And what multiply does is the opposite. It's going to knock out the light and the white colors of the image. And so you can see through the beauty. So you still see the rainbow pattern, but it's a little bit darker. I actually think I want to go with screen because screen looks really, really cool. I like that. Okay. And if it's too strong, you have opacity from 0 to 100. So you have transparency to the left, opacity to the right. I'm going to bring that down. And as I bring it down, you will see that you have more of the colors underneath coming through. See that? Okay. All right, I'm going to go ahead and leave it at 100 because I'm happy with that. And now what I'm going to do is let's blend this one. Let's just take it another level. And let's see how we want that. I like it cropped just like that. And I want to see through, I want that background that we created to come through here. So now I can choose either multiply. That doesn't look bad. That looks good. The rainbow's coming in from the third layer and the trees are coming in from the second layer. I like that. Let's see what it looks like if we hit screen. Screen is pretty light, right? Pretty light. So it's probably not the one that we're going to choose, but that's kind of cool. It gives like a nice little effect. If I wanted to, when I would use this, if I wanted like text and I just wanted a very, very light background showing through, but I'm going to choose multiply because I really like that. And again, I can play with the transparency to bring in maybe just a little bit more. I'm going to keep it at I'm going to keep it right there. So now I'm happy with how this is looking. And that is how I would combine the images, using the blend modes. There are other techniques you can do, but in this one, I focused on blend mode. So hopefully this will help you create something cool. Hopefully you liked it. If you do, hit that like button and let me know. and comment and let me know. All of that helps the algorithm. And even subscribe to my channel. That will be awesome if you do. All right. And also, if you have a question, if you want to know how to do something else, please don't hesitate. Put that in a comment. Or if you have suggestions or ideas of videos that you like to see, put that in the comment. I'll create. I love creating for you. All right. So on that note, this is the end of this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Ta-ta for now. Until next video. Peace.